ain't new V, the good life. Let's go on a living spree. Shit, they say the best things in life are free. The good life, it feel like Atlanta, it feel like LA, it feel like Miami, it feel like NY. Summertime shy.
Now throw your hands up in the sky.
So I wrote the good, y'all pop.
Both sides of the 12, see both sides of the L. Free smoke rings in their hell. Streets no crime for the well. Whole team diamonds is real. Show them how to shine by themselves. Need a ghost sign for your hell. I need a bitch to grind on my belt. Now you need to drive for my belt. Now you see the drive in the cell. Act like on the ride is a style, but it's still.
I thought it was a good idea to show you how I wash my hair. And that's it. Thank you.
I won't leave you lonely, baby, I'm alright. I know you don't really know me, you gon' have to try to put a little trust in me. It ain't no one that can love like me. Nobody. Nobody. Love like me. It ain't no one that can love like me. Nobody. Nobody love like me, body. It ain't no one that can love like me. Nobody.
So what?
Is that a plane?
It's a plane and it's a boat.
What?
Yeah, it lands on the water.
Oh, that's tight, man.
I appreciate it, boss.
Oh shit! This is some fucking National Geographic shit!
I tried so hard and got so far.
Yeah!
Some hot girls, some of that pop got shit.
Dolce and Gabbana, Fendi and Adana, Karen, they be sharing all their money, got me wearing fly.
Our top story tonight, a plane with malfunctioning landing gear was saved from disaster by a pickup truck. The truck, a Nissan Frontier, was driven by an airport mechanic. He says he doesn't consider himself a hero.
I heard it coming over the radio. The plane was coming in, so I just had to gas it, get it up to full speed. You know, I got the Pro 4X off-roading package, so this thing can handle some pretty rugged stuff.
More, including reaction from pilots.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. If you look to the right side of your aircraft, you will notice Flight 198 challenging us to a race. I've turned the fasten seatbelt sign back on because shit is about to get real.
Hey, yo, living near the beach, chap.
Beach boys on a ride, still in my eyes.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. If you look to the right side of your aircraft, you will notice Flight 198 challenging us to a race. I've turned the fasten seatbelt sign back on because shit is about to get real.
Estamos muy cerca de que yo y mis seguidores hagamos historia y vayamos al espacio. Hace días les conté que fuimos los primeros en habla hispana en mandar un globo al espacio y grabarlo todo. Así que lo volveremos a hacer. Pero esta vez no lo haré solo. Escribiré miles de los nombres de mis seguidores en el globo, ya que tuvo más de 3 millones de likes. Así que compré el globo y finalmente llegó. Abrí el globo de su empaque y es gigante, de verdad, enorme. Literalmente podrían caber 2 personas adentro de él. Me puse a escribir miles y miles de nombres de mis seguidores. De verdad es muy cansado. Después de estar un tiempo escribiendo nombres, me ocurrió una idea. Como el globo es demasiado grande, llenaré la mitad solo con nombres de ustedes. Y la otra mitad la llenaré con miles de fotos de ustedes por cada persona que le dé like a este video y me siga aquí en TikTok, para que todos juntos digamos que fuimos al espacio. ¿Están listos?
What I like to do is start by just putting some hot water, squirting it onto my scalp. Sometimes the water gets away from you, and you try and catch as much as you can. And I just work the water up through to the ends of my hair. And I take my no-rinse shampoo and squirt it also on the scalp, just a little bit. And sometimes I'll actually take my comb to help work it all the way to the ends. And I like to take my towel while I have the shampoo in there and just kind of work it. Because without standing under running water, you kind of need to use the towel a little bit to help get some of the dirt out. I think that's pretty good. And now as my hair dries, as the water evaporates from my hair, it will become humidity in the air, and then our air conditioning system will collect that into condensate, and it won't be long, and our water processing system will turn that into drinking water.
Actually put the phone down and have a conversation with me. But no, I'm a millennial. I've got to post it. I've got to snap face it and Twitter book it. Excuse me, miss, I've got a stain that needs some polishing. Can I borrow your cleaning cart?
Oh, no.
I need your help. Guess what my favorite food is?
What?
No, I want you to guess.
Cumin?
Cumin. Yes, I love cumin.
I said human.
Oh, I thought you said cumin. I'm a real big spice guy. Furry hat guy. I can't believe you are wearing one of my friends.
Hey, this isn't your friend.
It used to be until you put it on your head, man.
How old are you?
Well, 243 years old now. I look good for my age, don't I?
Yeah, you work out?
All the time. You should see my squats.
You're such a sweet talker.
Will you take me back home with you?
Let's go. I have some space in my backpack.
Actually, I think you have too much baggage for me.